And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading and the like, and trading in general. So the first thing I need to do is get into the risk disclosure part of the day. Oh, look. Peg the thing high without Henry being in there. Let's see. So the risk disclosure screen looks like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I am involved in two. I should have probably add this. I am involved in two challenges. Oh, here comes Henry. Two challenges right now with two firms, with FXify and with Audacity Capital, both out of London, England. But we're not going to get into that today. Let's see. I do not solicit funds. Here's the most important part. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. I have in the past, but not right now. Forex trading is highly speculative, with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade the funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Henry's trying to eat me this morning. CFTC risk disclosure. This is what I used to have to say at every phone call. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. And Henry does not like a loss of capital. So let's get into what happened yesterday. So this is the weekly Japanese yen chart. This is what the trade we were in just a day before we got out. And I stayed out of the trade. I was thinking that it was going to go high because that's the trend that the NFPs have been doing lately, is that they've been going high. They've been undercutting and then going high, undercutting, going high, and then this time they revised everything down for the last 3 months. So basically, it's saying that we did not create as near as many jobs as we thought we did over the past 3 months. That whole scenario just seems sus to me, but we're not here to discuss that. We're here to discuss what happened in the market. So the looks like we had a high of pretty much 150.999, which means we almost hit 151 and then came all the way down to 147.48. Now that's a monster, would have been a monster downsize, or down move. And as a matter of fact, this is what it looks like on the 4-hour chart. And I even pointed out yesterday that that's a doji. That means there's a possibility of a reversal. And then look at that, a huge reversal before the numbers were released. So that will be something to keep in mind for the future, that I could have gotten in there with a 150 pip stop loss and gotten it. So that would have been, not stop loss, take profit, and gotten it yesterday. So that would have been a huge move that I missed out on. But that's okay, because there will be more markets. There will always be more trades, and there's no need to flinch on that. But what I'm looking at here is that I think it's got a little bit more ways to go. On the 4-hour chart, it's not saying it's oversold. The RSI is not saying that this is oversold. This is saying, hey, everything's fine. It's got further to go. So I can see this actually coming back down to about 145. So that might be something to consider. This thing might have another 150 pips in it down to the downside. It is highly possible. In the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at the euro, or USD, and I'll keep you posted on how I'm doing on my my trading things. The way it stands right now, it looks like I have 8 trades. I've got to do 8 more trades like the profitable one I had with no losses in order to get funded. So it's I still have quite some ways to go before I get funded. Here we have the change of character here in the Smart Money Concepts view of the euro. It did not have as near as spectacular of a move in the euro, although it was pretty impressive, 180 pips. And this one also is saying it's just getting started. So we could see this one go all the way back up to 175 and into this area again. So it's we have bouncy, fun Forex action going on, and I'd like to make some money at it. So that's what we're looking at this week. We're looking at a complete rebound of everything. Gold. Gold had a banner day yesterday too. Let's look at that. Gold again up sharply. Up 80 bucks, 70 bucks, 60, 70. 69 actually, but that's still a pretty huge move for one day in the gold market. Silver is also making a comeback too. So everything that we thought was happening is no longer happening. It's off. Silver not as much of a move. I expect to see that go up a little bit higher. Got this is saying it's oversold right here, so we could see a lot more of a move on silver. But other than that, it's Saturday, so there's not going to be any trading today. Nothing for me to consider or anything like that. Let's see. We could take a look and see what I'm doing on my trading dashboard, and this is what I'm talking about. Average risk to reward ratio. My win rate. I've got a 50% win rate. That is not impressive at all. I thought I was doing so well. And I am up $330. That's before. That's after commissions, I think. So, so there's got to be. I think there's something else in here I'm missing on this. This is the first time I saw this just a couple of days ago. Instruments loaded, traded. Could do more. Max drawdown. It's okay. So that's my total return right now is 1%. I need to get that to 10%. So I've got to do 10 more trades like that in order to get to where we're going. Total net P&L. So I guess it is going by net P&L. Average daily net P&L. Losing trade net P&L. Okay, so my total net P&L is I'm still up $65. That's not impressive at all. So I need to work on that. In the meantime, we'll go back to this and see how we can work with this to make that work. I could get in there and do a couple more trades, I guess. With that, however, I'm running into my biggest challenge of not being able to spend as much time in front of the screen as I would like to. I'd like to trade 2 or 3 hours a day and get out. So that's where I would like to be, and that's where we're going to get to one day. But right now, I still have a day job to go to. Even on Saturday, I still have a day job to go to. Well, tomorrow we're going to redraw our support and resistance trend lines and update the trades from there. So with that, you guys have a great Saturday. Be sure to post stuff about what you're doing today. I will not, because I will be at work all day. But you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.